Wow, it's super big. Super big. Look. Look like cherries. I don't know. It's absolutely not the ketchup. What? Hello, this is Patrick from Korea. Today, I'm going to try Murtabak. Murtabak is one of the famous dishes in Malaysia. Most probably this dish is coming from Arabian, from my internet information. But by the way, this place is one of the popular places in near my place, and we will see how is the taste. Let's go. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Alright, here is Murtabak and lots of cheese, as you can see. Wow, and it's really thick. It's a special Murtabak that 2 layer it has. It's a lot. I don't know if I can finish today or not. Alright, so Murtabak here. Let me try. Yes, it's already huge. The size here you can choose a special size and also the regular size, so it's up to your the preference. Oh, let me try the big bite for the one. Wow, super big, super big. Look. Wow, this is so yummy. I mean, this is absolutely nice, excellent. Absolutely amazing. This is actually very, I can compare the one Korean food, buchimge. We call some Korean pizza, and the Korean pizza is similar to the texture. It must be the kimchi buchimge, not spicy version, and with the cheese. Actually, it's not really cheesy. This is combination with the chicken and some the veggie texture like onion. Onion is not 100% cooked. It is more like how can I say, fresh condition, about 50%. The well done, absolutely nice flavor. In Korea, we comment a rainy day, we are going to have this kind of buchimge, as I commented before. But absolutely now, it was raining, and now it becomes sunny, but it was raining, and so I thought it is very right day to have this Murtabak during the rainy day. Oh, really, moly, super nice. This is more or less, how can I say, very traditional, but with the cheese, it gets very fusion style. The dish, absolutely for me, fantastic. So yummy. Oh, look here. If I show like this, it's very similar to kimchi buchimge. Must be onion. It gives really nice and the joy of chewing. So nice, my friend. It's so nice. And here, look like cherries. I don't know. It's absolutely not the ketchup. Let me try. Actually, what? It's very ketchup. Really? Look again. It's not look like ketchup, like a woolly red color. But here, If you cannot finish all of them, no, I mean, if you think it is going to be one meal too big portion, but you can divide it into two parts. Focus, original one, and with ketchup, you're going to give some changes of your taste. This Murtabak is one of the popular dish in Johor. I think this is most probably, from my research, this dish is most probably from Arabian. I don't know, it's just from my internet information. And the Malaysian, they made this one like their traditional way and give some changes. Food is becoming like Malaysian. No way. I thought it was too much. Then maybe I'm going to not to finish all of them. Finally, I've got only 2 pieces. Holy moly. Actually, this is absolutely 2 layers. It's really thick. This is 1 layer. And then each of the piece has a 2 layers. So when you bite like me, it will be full of your mouth. This is absolutely special dish. No, it's not like a nasi. I mean, not like a rice and noodle. So once you want to try a little bit special than other like rice and noodle, please visit nearby your Murtabak house and you can find out this. So yummy. And here you can choose daging, beef, ayam, chicken, and cheese, and mutton. Absolutely, it's up to you. What's your favorite? Today I ordered ayam and cheese special, the size. I'm coming for this as a lunch. Maybe this is around 3 p.m. Maybe I'm not going to have this supper because this quantity is huge. I mean, this is not a small piece of the just pancake. This is a lot. And here this place also it is possible to have a delivery service, or it's possible also take out service. Fantastic place, atmosphere and the food. Oh my god. Holy moly, I finished all of them. Believe me, I thought I'm going to not eat them all because it was really big, but now I finished. Why? It's nice, absolutely nice. Oh my god, it was so yummy. Once you have a chance to come here, around here, oh my god, you are going to enjoy a lot of Murtabak. It's super delicious. Today, 오늘도 잘 먹었습니다. Thank you for watching and have a good time and bye bye.